And welcome guys to another video. Now today's video is going to be dealing with AI stuff. Now one of my little buddies was asking me how I can move one of these units to anywhere that I want on the screen. Now just because you want to do this, I gave him a very simple example, and this is what I came out to. I can click on one of these guys and move him where I want. Move, and there we go. They move around. They don't avoid each other, really. They sit there and push each other and stuff like that. But you'd probably have some kind of other pathfinding than Unity's version of it. Because then you would be able to avoid certain things. Okay? But this video is just going to just show you guys how you can click on one of these guys and move them around, because it's kind of nice. Two, later on we might make it where you can, maybe left trigger and make a big old box window or something. But this, I wanted to make it very, very simple to show you guys how to do it. Now, let's get out of here and let's look at what's all involved with this. This guy right here, I just went to the assets and imported the package of characters, and it's straight from Unity. The only thing that I changed, this used to be a transform. Well, instead of a transform, I made it a... Really? It's not going to let me show it? Are you kidding me? For real? Are you freaking kidding me? Visual Studio. Boom. There we go. Okay. All I did in this is change. There was a line right here. I deleted it and put set destination. Okay. And then this set target. Instead of a transform, I require a vector 3. I changed this from a transform to a vector 3. That's it. That's all I did. Okay. Now, for the other script, because this is just pretty much just the default. I mean, this is the only script that I changed for the AI. This script right here is for the third-person controller. You need the namespace. This you don't really need. For some reason, it wouldn't let me use this. It kind of sucked, but anyway. Oh, on the AI control, in the very start, we put target equals this.transform.position. If you don't do this, it'll try to go to vector3.0 every time. Like, all your guys will be just being stupid and like, here, let's do that. Let's show you what this actually does right off the bat. Because if I don't, then you might not know and you'd be like, what the heck's going on, right? And that wouldn't be good. That wouldn't be good for nobody. So I'm just going to show you guys what it does. So when it starts up, they'll all go like this, which might be what you want. I don't know, I guess, but it sounds like not. And I went AI controller equals find object of type AI controller. And this is the script that I use for controlling all the AI. We just find it, and then we go temp.setCharacter, which is a function. And we pass it this script right here. Okay? That's it. Very, very simple. I didn't change anything else below here too much besides, instead of a transform, a vector 3, and required a vector 3 instead of a transform. Okay? That's it. So that script is done. The AI controller is a mono behavior. You need a raycast hit, a public. Well, you don't really need this to be public at all. It ain't going to make a difference. But if you want to see an inspector, make it public. And you go AI controller, and then we need a dictionary. Okay. This dictionary will have, well, the reason why this is here is because when I click the button, I want a certain controller. You know, I want to be able to go, hey, I want this, right? So when I do that, I'm going to get that specific one. But this dictionary takes a key of the game object and the AI controller, okay? And I call it a character array, okay? Then I do raycast in the mouse position, okay? Every frame. Then if I shoot this, I tell physics to do a raycast, out hit, 100, same thing. Okay, very simple raycast. Then I go string t equals hit.transform.tag. And I do a switch on t. The problem, the reason why I do a switch is because I want to go to separate from ground to player. When I hit the ground, I want to set a position. When I hit a player, I want that player, okay? Notice how I got this AI controller. AI equals character array hit.transform.gameObject. I'm using the key to get this object, okay? So every time I hit a transform with my array, when I click the button, you know, clicky clicky, it will go, hey, this is the key, give me this. Okay? If the AI is not null, then I go controller, which is our controller script, equals AI. So here's the opposite thing. The ground, we go controller, if it does not equal null, we go controller.set target equals hit.point. Don't go hit.normal because it acts really, really dumb. Okay? Go hit.point. Alright? And the default, I want nothing to happen. So if I don't hit the player or the ground, it will do absolutely nothing. To keep it from weird behaviors, this does nothing. Okay, but this happens every frame, and we do basic stuff. This right here, this code in here never executes unless I hit my mouse button. So we got this ray. This really isn't that bad of a call. I mean, I guess you could possibly, you know, put it in here. Okay? But to me, honestly, I don't think it even matters. It will probably work all the same. But just to test it, oh, and set character array contains AI player.gameObject equals false. We automatically add it. We don't care if it already exists because set character only happens here when we want to set this character in our dictionary to look it up. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's super, super easy. Okay? I'll compile to make sure that stuff doesn't act all funky on you or nothing. It shouldn't. Okay, and hit this. Bloop. See? Bloop. 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 And that's it, guys. I mean, it's very, very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorials and stuff like that. I know I don't get as many as I would like out, but some of the subjects that I hit in some of our videos take a little time, and you know, it's not like I've got a million years to work on them. So if you guys like, hit subscribe, and everything else. It really helps the channel and everything. But like I said, you know, like if you like, dislike, you know, hit that little dislike button. And if you guys want to be notified of when videos come out and things, then make sure you hit that little bell and things, and that will help you out with that. But thanks for watching. Peace out, everybody, and take care.